love you now. If I was your man, I'd be here every day. If I was your man, I wouldn't treat you